Epic of Gilgamesh, one of the world's oldest epics. This Sumerian tale follows King Gilgamesh, who is part divine and part human. After the death of his close friend Enkidu, Gilgamesh embarks on a journey to find immortality, only to realize that eternal life is impossible for humans. His story is about the search for meaning in life, the inevitability of death, and the value of friendship. The Epic of Gilgamesh is a moral and philosophical exploration of human existence, friendship, and immortality. Gilgamesh, a king, seeks eternal life after his friend Enkidu's death. Poem highlights the importance of friendship, life's meaning, legacy, love, and wisdom. The Epic of Gilgamesh is a classic story that examines important themes like friendship, death, and finding purpose in life. It tells the story of Gilgamesh, a king who goes from being selfish to becoming a wise and thoughtful leader, showing the importance of his strong relationships when his best friend Enkidu dies. Gilgamesh is terrified of death and sets out to find a way to live forever, but he learns that true immortality comes not from living forever, but from leaving a positive mark on the world through our actions. The story makes us think about our own lives and what it means to live a good life and make difference.